on this day, November 20th, I think, Guy Yates Fullerton's going to jump off a bridge. And considering there's a massive amount of wreckage at the bottom of the short-ass river, I'm hoping he doesn't hurt himself. This ought to be interesting. Let's wait for him to get pumped. I'm recording you.
Are we live?
Yeah, you are, but there's a boat coming. Oh, he doesn't care. Fucker. Jump. He's wearing a Procreator shirt, by the way. He's putting you in your place. Yeah, lose your you got everything out of your pockets? No, don't lose the shirt. That'll be funny. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I was just gonna say, I'm like...
Show it off, bro.
Yeah, show off.
You look fit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's muscle. Come on, punch it, pussy.
Whoa!
Oh, shit. Is it cold?
Oh my god.
I fucking love you. I'm gonna grab your shoes. Swim, nigga, swim.
Oh, it's fucking cold.
Oh, shit.
Oh, son of a bitch. That was really fucking cold.
Really? Keep going, puss.
Ah. Hang loose.
Hang loose.
Son of a bitch.
Oh,
That was really fucking cold.
have you warmed up yet?
Okay. Now I know what hypothermia feels like.
You look like a little fish, bro. Let me get down there.
I didn't lose my socks.
No, great job.
That's cool.